In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur text in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. After the editor opens, go to the left sidebar and click the Text tab. Then add a text box and type the text you want to blur. Adjust the font style, size and position until the text looks the way you want. Next, click Share at the top right corner and download the page as a PNG image. This step turns your text into an image so you can apply the blur effect. After downloading, upload that image back into Canva by clicking the Uploads tab and selecting the file you just saved. Drag the uploaded image onto your canvas and click on it to select it. Then click Edit Photo in the top toolbar and find the blur effect. Use the blur slider to increase or decrease the blur until the text looks the way you want. That is how you blur text in Canva.